we did some analysis and some forecasting in order to be able to see, how these different, scenarios will work. And so for this one particular client, there were two additional people that they wanted to bring on. And so the question is, are we going to be able to, and just going back to the thought about the black hole, right? Like, can you bring these people on and still be profitable and still continue to increase the growth of your business? And so we did some analysis, we put it into our forecast model, say, okay, assuming that we bring on these people, they make X amount of dollars, and then you have all of the costs associated with bringing those people in. So we embed that into our financial model, and then we assume that with these extra folks, that we should be able to bring in, X amount of new business. So our revenue is going to grow. So put all that in our financial model, and we modeled that out to see what would the impact be. And so the impact from our financial model said it's an absolutely good thing to do. And so we recommended that they go ahead and move forward at a specific price or specific salary levels. And it turned out to be a really great move. And they last year they grew their business to the highest it has ever been, and this year on track to go even higher. So we're helping our clients make these strategic decisions, and not do it blindly, right? Because they could have done it, and just not known what would happen. And thankfully, in this case, it definitely made sense. But we were able to give that visibility because it doesn't always make sense. Again, going back to the black hole, we have to make sure that we're growing in a way that's sustainable.